Let X represent the value of your winnings from a raffle ticket. 5,000 total raffle tickets are sold at $5 each. There is one prize of $4,000, one prize of $1,000, and three prizes of $100. So we want to construct a discrete probability distribution, which means we need to list all of the values of X along with the probabilities. So let's start with the $4,000 prize. If you won that, you would actually only be winning $3,995 because you paid $5. And there's only one of these out of the 5,000 total raffle tickets. So this is a 1 out of 5,000 chance. Next is the one prize worth $1,000, which again you paid $5 already. So you're only making $995. And there's only one prize like this, so that's also 1 out of 5,000. Next is the $100 prize. You would be making $95. Now, there are 3 of these, so the probability is 3 over 5,000. And if you didn't win any of the prizes, you are losing $5 because it cost $5 to purchase the raffle ticket. And this is 4,995 out of the 5,000 tickets. So this is our discrete probability distribution.